Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bind your Bitget wallet with the Bitget Exchange easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your Bitget Wallet app. Once you're inside, go to the My Wallet section. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option called Bind Bitget Exchange. Tap on it. A confirmation screen will appear. Here you'll need to enter your passcode or verify your identity. Once you confirm, your Bitget wallet will be successfully linked to your Bitget Exchange account. If you ever want to unbind it, you can follow the same steps and select the Unbind option. And that's it. Super simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.